Hello everyone! Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we will show you how to search Google with pictures in a simple and easy way. This video will help you find information about images, objects, or photos using Google search. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Google because image search works directly from this page. Look for the camera icon inside the search bar, which is used for searching with pictures instead of text. Step 2. Click on the camera icon and choose whether to upload an image from your device or paste an image URL. This step is important because Google uses the image you provide to find visually similar images and related information. Step 3. Once the image is uploaded, Google will automatically show search results related to that picture. You can scroll through the results to identify objects, find similar images, or get more details about what's in the photo. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.